Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
First, prepare both your Android phone and the PC for backup. Enable USB debugging and developer options on the phone before connecting via USB. If developer options are hidden, tap build number 7 times to enable them. Use a good quality USB cable and ensure the PC has at least 2 GB free for temporary transfers. Install the official phone drivers or allow Windows to auto-install drivers when you connect. Finally, unlock the phone and approve any trust prompts shown by the device to allow file access. Next, perform a simple backup using file transfer mode over USB. Connect the phone and choose file transfer on the device when prompted by the USB menu. Open Windows Explorer and browse the phone storage to find DSIM, downloads, documents, and WhatsApp folders. Create a folder like C/backups/phone on your PC and copy those folders into it. For app data, use each app's export function or copy its folder when available. Confirm the total backup size and verify copies by opening a few files on the PC. For a fuller backup, use ADB or a dedicated backup tool for system and app data. Install minimal ADB and fastboot on the PC and confirm the device appears with a DB devices. Run a DB backup app shared all F backup, AB to create a single backup. AB file containing apps and shared storage. Follow on-screen prompts on the phone to allow the backup and optionally set a password. Finally, copy backup. AB to 2 separate locations, such as an external HDD and cloud storage, for redundancy and long-term safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.